Hello, my students. I just wanted to give you a few more examples here. So if you did number 5 and 6, that is great. Now we can check your work. So number 5, first step, remember, is to check for parentheses. We don't have any parentheses. So step 2, we can combine like terms, okay? And we can combine here x with 8x. So that will give you 9x, right? 9x plus 11 equals 29. Okay, so 8x plus x is 9x. And now from here we know I can subtract 11 on both sides. And this will go away on this side. And now I have 9x on the left. 9x equals 29 minus 11. 29 minus 11, that will give you 18. Okay, that's a nice number, divided by 9. 18 can be divided by 9. So x will be 18, 2 times 9, 18, so 2. That is the answer. Let's check number 6 now. Number 6 has the parentheses. So first I have to distribute this negative 5 times 6n. So negative 5 times 6, that will be negative 30n. And negative 5 times 6 again, that will be negative 30 equals 3. Okay, so now what do I do here? This is the variable n, so I'm gonna eliminate this one by adding 30 on both sides. 30 on both sides, this goes away, and now I get negative 30n equals 3 plus 30, that is 33, divided by 30 on both sides. This will cancel out, so we get n equals 33 divided by 30. I thought I did something wrong there, but no, that is correct. 33 divided by negative 30, that will give you negative 1.1. Okay, so if you got negative 1.1, that will be correct. Okay, so let's do together 7 and 8. I have those parentheses again, so I'm going to distribute. That's the first thing. Distribute the number outside, so that will give you 5x here. And 5 times 6 will give you 30 equals 37. Bring this down. Minus 3 on this side. Minus 3. Okay. And now, once you distribute, I can combine like terms. The only numbers I can combine, you check on both sides. These numbers, negative 3 and 30. I will combine those two. Negative 3 and 30. What is that? Negative 3 and 30. That will give you 27, right? Positive 27. 27 plus 5x equals 37. So negative 3 plus 30 is this number, 27. Okay, remember our goal is to solve for x, so 5x will stay here, and I have to subtract the 27 on both sides. 27 on both sides, right? So this will cancel out, and now I have just 5x, that's what I want, equals 37 minus 27, that will give you 10. Okay, and that's a pretty number because 5 divides 10. So x equals 10 divided by 5, 2. That is x. For number 8, I have to distribute this 5 again. So 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4m is 20m, right? Minus 2m, bring this down, equals negative 13. Okay, so once I have distributed the 5 into those numbers with the parentheses, now our next step is to combine like terms on each side. There's nothing to combine here on the right side, but I can combine these two numbers here on this side. So let me highlight those. You can combine 20m and minus 2m. 20m minus 2m. So this, I'm going to bring 5. And this is gonna be 20m minus 2m will give you 18m, right? Equals negative 13. Okay, and from here I know what to do. Easy. Subtract the 5 on both sides. So this will go away, and now we just get 18m equals negative 18m on this side, right? Because negative 13 plus 5, that's negative 18m. And now divide by 18 on both sides, right? So m equals negative 1. Is that what I got? Negative 1, negative 18 divided by 18, negative 1, yes. 16 is the last one I'm doing. This is one of the challenge questions. Okay, so let's do it together. On this one, we have the parentheses. Let's distribute that. Negative 8 times negative 8. Let me use the blue. This is not working. That's negative, positive 64, because a negative times a negative. Positive 64x. And negative 8 times negative 6. That will give you negative 8 times 6 plus positive 48, right? Equals negative 6x minus 22. Okay. So is there anything, second step says combine like terms on both sides. Can I combine any terms here now? No, right? The third step is to get all the variables on the left side. So I have x here and x here. I have to move this x together with this other x. All the variables on the left side. This is on the right side, so I have to move this 6x. So plus 6x here, plus 6x here. And when I subtract that, that will eliminate, and that's what I want, right? So 64x plus 6, what is that? 70 plus 48 equals, on this we just have 22. Like that. And now that's much easier. Now we can subtract 48 here minus 48 here, cancel out. So 70x equals negative 22 minus 48, that is 70, negative 70. And we will get a 1 because 70 divided by 70 is a whole number, negative, right? And that is it. I hope this video helped you guys. Have a good day.